Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 Z06 full front. Actually, what it is called a track pack or a standard pack by us. It's your full front end, your A-pillars, the roof strip that runs up top here, and we wrap it all in both sides. Take the top off so we can get it down the side. Those A-pillars, and then we run the full rockers with the accent pieces. So it's all this white into the doors, up in this air vent. And then we did a separate section up here, which is not part of the rockers, where we wrapped in here. We do these as well. We do these all the time for people. We don't charge for them. Sorry, these pieces here. We do a full front. We usually throw this stuff in. They're no big deal. But what we did is we ran a piece here because a lot of stuff hits in here. And what it does is it arcs right here. And that avoids you from having to do the whole panel and pay that extra money if you're on a budget. So you see the line here, wraps all the way in, wraps all the way in. But let me start here at the front and work you around. So our full front end's your full hood, fenders, mirrors, lights, bumper, all the black. Not this stuff, but all this other bigger pieces. This here we wrap all the way around. The hood piece, all this gets wrapped in. So all these tips, I don't notch them out. They're fully wrapped. There's no cutouts for them. So we make sure they're fully wrapped in 100%. This badge comes off and goes back on in the same orientation. We come over here, up here, wrap all this in. The fender wraps all the way under where the headlight is. Our frunk and our fenders are fully wrapped in. Everything looks great and shiny. This car had a lot of fallout on it from the railhead. And when they hit their brakes, it gets little orange and black specks all over it. This car was pretty bad. Needed a pretty heavy decon. But anyway, it looks great now. Down here, we don't use the split that most of the companies put in their patterns. We do a custom piece where it goes all the way under. Moving forward, much more the same on this side. All this is all wrapped in. Right here, all this white. Usually you'll see a line, you'll see a big gap. None of that's here. Fully wrapped underneath these wheels. And coming around these A-pillars, done like the other side, the mirrors, the rockers, the accent pieces, the flares, whatever you want to call them. All these trim pieces are done, fully wrapped around. And then this piece over here, I kind of threw that in for what he's doing. I might just add it to my track pack. For this model, it's worth doing. I didn't charge anything extra. And then we did this back here. But when we do these, like the fenders, we take this trim piece, pop it out, and wrap all the way in so there's no line. Because from this wheel, it's gonna get a big dirt line same day you drive it. So there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Track pack, standard pack, with some extra pieces I threw in. But that's it. Full decon, which really was necessary, like worse than ever. And it's complete, looks fantastic, ready for the road. Any questions? ClearbrowNorthDallas.com, 214-414-3809, cell 940-703-8301, and please leave a message so I can get back to you. I get people that call 3-4 times in a row and they don't leave any information, so nothing I can do with that. But do the best you can, and maybe we can work together. Take care, have a great weekend.